In this video, we're going to look at irregular polygons and their angles. So when you've got an irregular polygon, what that means is that all of the angles on the interior angles, that is, are not the same. So we can't assume that they're all the same, they're different. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this formula for the sum of all the interior angles. And we use this mainly for an irregular polygon. That's the number of sides minus 2 times by 180 degrees. And that's going to give me the sum of all the interior angles. So if I look at this question here, it says that we've got some irregular polygon here, and it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's got 5 sides. So it's going to be 5 take away 2 times by 180. So we've got 3 times 180 degrees, which is going to be 540. So we know that the sum of all of the angles inside this irregular pentagon, because it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides, is 540. But they've told us a fact here, that the angle BCD in this question, so BCD, this angle, is double of the angle of ABC. So ABC. So I'm going to call angle ABC X, and I'm going to call angle BCD 2x, because it's double of it. So what's going to happen here is that we know that the sum of all of these angles is 540. So we're going to do 125 plus 115 plus 90 degrees, like so. We're going to add them together. So that gives me 10, carry the 1, 3, 4, that gives me 13, carry the 1, I get 330. And then I'm going to do 540 minus 330. I get 210. So what happens here is it means that the two angles added together is going to be 210. So I'm going to say 3 lots of x, because x plus 2x is 3x, is 210. Divide both sides by 3. So x equals 70 degrees. Now the question is asking to work out the size of angle BCD. Now don't forget, angle BCD is double of that. So angle BCD is double of 70, which is 140 degrees. Here's a question for you to try. You can pause the video, and when you're done, I will go through my work solution. Okay, welcome back. So we've got an irregular polygon question. So we can see all the angles aren't the same, and we need to work out angle T. So we're going to use n minus 2 times 180 degrees. Then that's going to be 5 minus 2 times 180, which is going to be 3 times 180 degrees, which is 540 degrees. Add them together, so we get 137 plus 128. Double of 90 is 180. 15, carry the 1. So I get 4, 6, plus 8 is 14, carry the 1. So I get 4, so 445. And we're going to minus that from 540. So 10 take away 5 is 5, 13 take away 4 is going to give me 9, and then 4 take away 4 is 0, so we get T equals to 95 degrees.